Well, holding mildly in the green for all the frontline indices, the Nifty Bank doing a tad better with a gain of almost 140 odd points. Not bad given the sort of uncertainty that we're facing in global indices. At the same time, the kind of rally that we've seen in the past as well. Sudeep Shah, who is the head technical and director of research at SBI Securities, joins in now. Sudeep, what are your thoughts? This 17,600, 17,700 could be a bit of a resistance zone as we move into the expiry tomorrow?
Yeah, good afternoon, Mangalam. See, it could act as a resistance, but we feel that the overall trend is bullish. And now, see, we have to see this in a larger context. Like we have seen the move starting from 15,800 all the way from 15 July till 18,000 on 18th August now. So it's almost post that touching 18,000 zone. It's almost 600 points correction, which is 23-25% retracement of the entire move. And yesterday's low of 17,350, 17,400 also is an important zone, which is the 21 EMA, which is a crucial short-term moving average. So hence we feel that we could see some consolidation for the next couple of days. But 17,350, 17,400 will be a very good zone to accumulate stocks and even go along on the index. Until this zone holds, we feel that the upside, we could inch back closer towards 17,850, 17,900 post expiry.
What about individuals?
Also,
sure. Sudeep, what about individual stocks? So what would some recommendations be for the rest of the day or even a positional trade?
Yeah, so we have a couple of positional trades now. We like, if we see sectorially, we like auto and PSU banks that would outperform in the next few sessions. So the first one is M&M. Now this stock, Mahindra & Mahindra, has been in a continuous uptrend, forming higher tops and higher bottoms on medium-term charts since last 4 or 5 months. Every time this is testing its 21 EMA on daily charts, we are seeing a fresh up move of 13 to 15% from that particular zone. Yesterday also, it has rebounded from that particular 21 EMA of 1230, 1235. So, and it is showing strength with a rise in open interest on the long side now. So that also the pre-roll trends which are indicative now, that is also showing that the stock can further witness some additional strength in the next few sessions. And we feel that with a stop loss of 1235, we can see potential targets of 1330, 1345 on the upside for M&M.
Okay. Sudeep, I just wanted to ask you about RBL Bank, whether you would have a view on that. That stock is done quite well this week. At current reckoning, it's up around 10.5%, up 6% today. But, it had seen highs of around over 150 odd rupees earlier in this year. Do you think that it has the ability to retrace back to those levels? What would your call be?
Yeah, see, what has happened with RBL Bank is that prior to today and yesterday, it was consolidating in this 95, 100 kind of band, and post that it has broken out with good volumes on the upside. So we feel that this trend could continue, and also with RBL Bank, it's not only with RBL Bank, it's with City Union Bank, it's with Federal Bank. All these mid-sized private banks are seeing some kind of a positive traction. And we feel this move could continue. So if someone is holding, if a trader is holding or an investor is holding, we feel that 102, 103 now should act as a very good stop loss. And on the upside, we could see this stock initially moving towards 128, 130, where the 200 DMA is placed. And sustaining above that, the trend could accelerate further on the upside. But at least till 128, 130 levels is what we are eyeing in this current up move.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that. Well, those are some ideas from SBI Securities. Let's do one thing. Let's cut across to the launch of the Mercedes AMC EQS 53. So that's like a new launch from Mercedes. Okay, we'll go to that in a bit. I got it excited. I was going to ask you guys.
No, not at all. I read the M letter and I was like, no, can't afford it.
Achha, what is the price band? Is it a hatchback? Is it an SUV? Tell us something.
So now we know who's interested to buy Mercedes, right?
If someone asked me what the price band of a Mercedes is, my answer would be unaffordable.
No, I'm just interested in all price bands.
Okay.
So, yeah, you were also interested in the K10. And to be fair, some of these cars like the K10, I think are better options for the Mumbai roads.
Absolutely.
Because you can just zip
McLaren
around.
said that they will launch in Mumbai. The first store would open. I'm sure that, one of those cars will splinter around if they encounter any of these speed bumps or the potholes that we
Absolutely.
have. What a beautiful machine.
By the way, this AMG EQ that's being launched is an electric sedan.
Oh,
okay.
It's an electric vehicle.
But do you
so-
see as much traction for electric sedans, electric
Right
cars
now,
as
to
of
be
now?
honest, I
Not
wouldn't
really.
buy an electric car because I think charging
Because the infrastructure is still not there.
developed.
And the people who are buying Mercedes don't care about the petrol prices anyway. I mean,
I think maybe 3 to 4 years down the line is when you'll probably see that traction for EVs much more than what it is now. But we'll wait by for the Mercedes launch
And the price
I was
band.
trying.
and how
I
much
was trying to get what the pricing
costs.
in, but guys, just to tell you,
Okay.
the pricing is not out. But be ready for this. It's upwards of 2 crores.
Okay,
That's
so
the-
then
okay.
So maybe the K10 it is, the Alto it is for all of us,
I'll
right?
probably do much better with the interest of that 2
we'll need a
crore.
crowdfunding for the car if anyone needs to purchase
crowdfunding,
it.
okay.
Yeah, in case you wish to contribute to Ekta's Mercedes
Oh,
buying
mine.
fund, do write to us.
Okay, and the funniest part will be if you buy a 2 crore car and then you don't have a charging
You don't
point.
have
then you're
to
stuck on
charge
the road,
it.
right?
That's what. So
Okay, guys. Well, that's chatter for another day. Let's do one thing. Let's slip into a quick break. A reminder for our viewers, it's that time of the year again. Money Control Pro's financial freedom offer is back with added benefits. Get a Money Control Pro subscription at net zero cost by claiming exciting offers worth 1,500 rupees from our partner brands. Grab the benefits now on the Money Control app or the website.